Before this video starts, I just want to say I'm not sponsored by Subway in any way, shape, or form. I chose to make this video. Thank you and enjoy the video.
My friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make it.
Okay, so I have two different sandwiches. I think this might be the ham. My normal sandwich I get, I love it. And I believe this is the new Reuben sandwich from Subway. I'm gonna try it. Yes, it is. That looks and smells pretty good. But I wanted to do my reaction, so.
Okay. I want to see this.
Okay. Here we go. So here it is.
What do you think? Kind of like it?
Yeah.
Kind of? Okay. All right, well, eat what you want.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Look at that.
I'm surprised you like the Reuben sandwich. Very good.
It's kind of sweet. It's weird. And a little bit sour. And sour. I'm not used to having a sweet and sour sandwich. Sauerkraut. Corned beef. Thousand Island. And cheese and bread. I don't even forget what type of bread this is. Yeah, that's it though. That's my review of the Reuben sandwich. See you guys in the next video.